While President Trump is the only commander-in-chief to be impeached a second time, does the U.S. Senate have the authority to convict Donald Trump, the private citizen, and prevent him from ever holding public office again? That's the question constitutional scholars on both sides are weighing in on.
It's not a high crime and misdemeanor.
Harvard law professor Alan Dershowitz served on Trump's legal team during the first impeachment and believes this second attempt is even more bogus. He says the Constitution protects the speech Trump used before the riots.
You know how many people have stood where he stood and advocated marching on the Capitol? Union leaders, civil rights leaders, to turn it from good to bad, members of the Ku Klux Klan, members of the Nazi Party, communists, suffragettes. That's a standard tactic. You get up and you say, go to the Capitol.
And now that the House has voted to impeach, the question remains, does the Senate have the power to convict a president after he leaves office and becomes a private citizen? The Constitution states, judgment in cases of impeachment shall not extend further than to removal from office and disqualification to hold and enjoy any office of honor, trust, or profit under the United States. Trump can no longer be removed from office. That part, however, is not the ultimate goal for House Democrats.
One of the other purposes of impeachment in this case is to make sure that President Trump is not able to run for federal office again, that he's not able to seek the presidency.
Some scholars argue the Senate has authority to approve that. According to Harvard professor Lawrence Tribe, judgments of removal from office and disqualification from running in the future are divisible and backed up by precedent in the impeachment cases of two federal judges. But Professor Dershowitz maintains it's removal and disqualification, not one or the other. Without having someone to remove, he says, senators can't then disqualify now Mr. Trump from running for office in the future.
And under the Constitution, you can't impeach or remove somebody who's not in office. The impeachment power of the Senate extends only to sitting office holders.
If Democrats remain united, they'll need at least 17 Republicans to vote with them to convict the president. Given its unprecedented nature and disagreement over the constitutional powers allowed, there is a good chance this case will end up before the Supreme Court. Jennifer Wishon, CBN News.